Hi folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete from Boca Grande, Florida, one of my favorite spots. Today we're doing a seafood fest out here with some friends and neighbors. Look at this, beef tenderloin. I bought the whole beef tenderloin, cut them up nice and thick. Do that on some charcoal, and look at these beautiful lobster tails. Fantastic. What I've done is I split them into two. So if you have the whole lobster tail, like so, take a pair of scissors, snip it across the back, and a sharp knife and finish it, and voila, you cut it into two. It's great for grilling, and we're going to lather that with some garlic butter and lemon. Let's get to the barbecue. So we're all ready to put the tails on. I use these handy little mats when I go to public grills. Just throw them over the grill and you can discard them later. So we got these beautiful tails going on. We're going to put the shell down first. We'll get these all down and then we'll carry on with our steaks. I got two grills going here. We got the lobster on over at this grill beside me, and on this grill, the beef tenderloin. We hear a sizzle. That's perfect. We're going to do these to about a medium rare, about 4 minutes aside. Oh, they look beautiful. Oh my. They're on the grill. We'll give them a few minutes and then flip them over. We're going to make a nice cocktail for the beach. Last night, Shay and I were doing a little playing around. What'd we come up with, Shay?
So we have an upgraded version of a pina colada. So what we did last night, we put maraschino cherries and some pineapple into a blender, blended it all up so it was easy for us to bring today. So pretty much that type of consistency. We added 2 ounces of the pina colada mix. Mr. and Mrs. T's is the one that you guys prefer. Also, we added 2 ounces of white rum.
White Bacardi, my favorite.
That is right. We added everything to this shaker cup here. Shake it up, super easy. And pour it over some ice for your guests.
Oh my, doesn't that look delicious? We'll share it with the gang here and let's get to cooking. Everything's on the grill. It's looking fantastic. Look at all the folks we got here. We're having a great time at the beach. Hey!
In the Kitchen with Pete.
That's it.
Oh my God, I'm so glad to meet you.
Thanks for coming out. You never know when you're at the beach. We've been about 4 or 5 minutes now, shell side down. Time to flip them over. We'll flip them over and get that meat nicely browned up. And when we flip them back the other way, that's when we're gonna start basting them with some nice garlic butter and lemon. And now we'll get over to our steaks and flip them around. All right, it's been 4 minutes on this side. Time to flip the steaks. These are going to be so tender and delicious. Look at that. Couple minutes. They'll be delicious. The beef tenderloin is just about done. You can see we put some hot peppers on some. Some of our guests here came up with that suggestion. I think it sounds delicious. We'll get these off and plate them up. The lobster's almost fully cooked. I've basted it once with some garlic butter. We're going to give it another nice little lather on top. It's going to give it some great flavor. And hey, who doesn't love garlic butter? Some fresh squeezed lemon. Oh, it's going to be so good. Thanks for coming out and watching. See ya! Hi folks, and welcome to In the Beach. In the Beach?
Where are you? Who are you?
God.